Alright guys, Alex with Master Garage here. Today we are working on 2011 GMC Canyon 4-cylinder coolant temperature sensor replacement. As you see in the other kind of videos in the YouTube, maybe there is a wiring right here behind the intake. If you follow that wire, going all the way right next to the exhaust, and this is the coolant temperature sensor. But the problem is, you can't, if you even disconnect it, I have the new one here, you can't get into it. You have to use a special tool, some kind of like ratchet with the ending of wrench with the ending of using ratchet. It will give you the ability to take it off, but still it's kind of hard. What I did, I just created my own tool. I grabbed the 15mm socket and I cut it with the grinder, just like that, just like your oxygen sensor tool. So that way you would be able to send this one in, put the extension and take it off. Very easy. Alright guys, good luck. God bless you. Thank you.